To wig or not to wig? That's the question. Or is it? Is it to topper? This is Amore, and it is a topper. And yes, it's not my regular white bio hair, but when you clip in a topper, I just pull out a bit of my bio hair out in the front and blend it right in. So let me show you all the way around. This is the Pixie topper from Amore, and this is in the silver number 60. It also comes in, I want to show the difference because sometimes if you look at a photograph and it doesn't quite look like the color in the photograph when you get it. If you're white, have white hair, this is the one that you want. If you have darker gray, this is the silver stone. It's whiter in the front and darker as it goes back. So what you're going to see here, it has this mono top. See how you can see your finger through there? I know, right? And the clips, 4 clips. It has the silicone on the front and then 2 clips in the back. Cut that label out. All right, so you just want to freshen it up. You're going to, before you put it on, liven it up and then get it in there and clip it in and style it the way that you want to style it. Don't believe me? Okay, let's take it off. 4 clips, and you can hear them, you can feel it release, and just gently slide that out of your hair like that. There we go. And there's my silver hair with all of its pink scalp showing through. Okay, I can't wear my hair like this. It just doesn't work. It gets wet, it's too flat for me. And you just see the difference because this isn't gonna hold a style. And then it's just flat. It'll get flatter if there's any water on it. So this is that great solution of a mono. See how thin that is? You can part it where you want to. You can, what I would suggest when you get it, really get your fingers in there and liven up those fibers so that you can kind of train it to the direction you want it to go. Because I have it slicked down, which is the way that I like to wear my hair, a little bit more sleek in my bio. Well, it's going to be that way anyhow, but a low density look. But you can retrain it. Then I go just a bit back behind my hairline to clip that in, and then you've got your clips in the back, so you want to make sure they're open. Slide it down and pop it. Just do a little scoop. There shouldn't be pain, it shouldn't hurt, and see just how easy that is. Just like that. If you don't have a lot of bio hair in the front, see how you can wear it down swooping across. For that look, I want to reposition this just a little bit better. You'll know, it just feels, because once you get it on, it feels like there's nothing there. So for people that say wigs are just too hot, how about a topper? I think a lot of you asked me to please show a topper, and it does come in different colors, but for my silver sisters out there that have silver hair and struggle, and wigs are just too hot for you, but you can see that you just pull some of your own hair out in the front, right? So wind's gonna blow. That's gonna be the question. What happens when the wind blows? Well, you're gonna work your own hair out in the front, or if you don't have any hair to work in that way, then you can pull that off front. And I'm gonna show you a nice little, see this little mini? Just like that. It fits right underneath there. Get you one of these, I'll leave the link below, and you're just gonna stitch that in, and it's like a headband. It's gonna go back, and then that way it's gonna feel like maybe a little more secure for you, especially if you don't have a lot of hair to clip into. That's a solution. I'll leave that below. And just like that, or swoop it back if you like it more off of your forehead. It's a great little pixie solution for us thin hair girls to give you a nice look, thicker looking hair without maybe the heat of, if you have problems with that, this might be the solution. Hi, this is Mel B, and I want to show you today, I had to jump in here because I have some sunlight coming through finally, and I showed you this Pixie topper. It's called Amore Pixie, And it's for short pixie girls like us. And I have white silver pixie, and I've done another video with this is number 60 silver. It's very, very white, much like my own hair. But look at this, check this out. This is the silver stone. And I really like it. I didn't know how it would work, but see my silver is coming out. What you do is clip it up here and in the back. And then that way you pull out some of your hair so that it looks more natural and blends in with your own hair. If you don't have a lot of bio hair, then you can get one of those little mini toppers and stitch those on the inside. It's got a little elastic band that goes around. That's a nice way to put it on your head and make it stay better without it actually being clipped into your hair. And I really like this. Yesterday, I know, again, my husband, he just never knows what I'm going to be wearing. And this, he absolutely did not know. He just kept looking at me. We were sitting on the couch watching television. He looked over and he said, I really like that. Did I tell you how beautiful you are today? A little later, did I tell you how much I like your hair today? Did I tell you? I mean, he's like, okay, I've told you 5 times. I was like, I know, I've told you every time. Thank you. But yeah, let's take a look at it. It blends in really nice. The side view, the back. I think it's a really great, I mean, because it's so lightweight, it doesn't feel like, and you can see, it doesn't flop. It doesn't move away from your head. The wind isn't going to blow it off, I promise. And you can see here, it's so lightweight, it's so easy to wear. And if you're looking for a nice silver topper, remember, it comes in the silver stone like I have, more brown in the back and white up front. And then this one is all number 60 silver. And yes, so it's your pick. And again, you'll need to think about, do you want it more brown and gray and silver in the front, or do you want it all silver, white all over? Your choice.